This is a golden handcuff. You see those golden handcuffs? In a few minutes, I am going to show you how to break free from these handcuffs which are actually stopping you from achieving your desired dream figure, and teach you how to build chiseled abs with a beach-ready body with size 0 figure and a goddess physique, and fit into your favorite clothes in the next 30 days without the crash diets, and even if you have never hit the gym in your life. Do you want to look like your favorite Bollywood celebrities and look slim, smart and young than your biological age? Hey, it's Dr. Aisha here, and let me ask you this. Are you sick and tired of your excess weight due to ineffective and restrictive diets and running hours and hours on the treadmill and still not being able to lose weight? Are you sick and insecure of feeling less than your competitors in your personal and professional life because of your weight? Are you sick of feeling you can't do this because nothing works for you? You feel you have tried everything possible to lose weight, but something always goes wrong? And do you wish you could feel more confident in your body and shape and have more power to present your ideas and points to the colleagues and family when your body speaks for you? And finally be able to have your favorite snacks like chocolates and ice creams and pizza and still maintain the chiseled abs and have the goddess physique? Or are you looking for ways to look young, slim and smart, to have a better professional projection without getting anxious and underconfident because of your appearance? To get your best physique without spending hours in cooking diet foods and without spending hours on the treadmill, which actually gives you no rest. If this sounds like you, then you're in luck, because in the next few minutes I'm going to teach you the single most exciting opportunity on this planet to achieve the celebrity physique that no other fitness expert would dare to tell you. Sounds good? Excellent. Now before I teach this, let me first say this is not for everybody. I have to be ridiculously selective about who I share this with, for the reasons you'll understand in just a moment. But first, let me show you what I'm talking about. Meet my client Parimala. She is a clinical investigator at a top MNC company in Hyderabad. Before working with us, her biggest challenge in life was that she had gained a whole lot of weight because of working for long hours in front of computers. Her weight was 115 kgs and she was worried about the same, as her friends and even colleagues used to make fun of her body and mock her. One day, even her family members told her, "What are you doing with yourself? How will you get a good man if you look like this?" She went into depression. Her stress levels were very high. One day, she came across my ad and checked out my free training, just the way you are doing right now, and decided to take action. After talking to me, she decided to join my Celebrity Physique mentorship program. We started working together and I made her believe in my flexible dieting system and metabolic reversal training. She'll be able to lose all her excess weight without having to quit on any kinds of foods that she craved for. She followed the program religiously. 3 months down the line, Parimala was a complete savage. She lost approximately 20 kgs in 3 months' time, got toned and into a better shape. Now she is totally out of depression and believes in herself. She continued the program till the end, that is 6 months, and got into her best shape. She was able to lose all her excess fat while her friends let themselves go. The tables got turned. She started getting proposals from very good prospects and finally married the man of her dreams. Now she has become the top inspiration of her family and friends and is living a happily married life. Meet my client Neha, and she's from Dehradun. Her dream was to become an air hostess. But because of Corona and other setbacks, her dreams shattered. Because of all the gyms being closed, she could not keep up with her weight and gained a whole lot more weight, and also developed PCOD because of the same. Things got worse when she went for her first interview. She came back home crying because the women around her started laughing at her. Every woman who came for interview was not less than a model. Neha was shocked and also jealous. She could not believe her eyes that when she let herself go, all the others have taken advantage of the situation and gained a whole lot of skills and talent and their best physiques to showcase themselves in the interview, as the first impression is the best impression. She went home crying and did not appear for her first interview. She got into depression and anxiety. She was so stressed because her dreams were breaking up in front of her eyes. Finally, scrolling down the social media, she came across my ad and decided to take up my free training. After talking to me, she decided to join the Celebrity Physique mentorship program and rescheduled her interview for after a month. She did not believe me when I said she could do all this from the comfort of her own home. We worked together for about a month and she was shocked with the results and also the process that was so easy to follow. She lost 7 kgs in 4 weeks. She went for the interview with her new celebrity physique and rocked it. Now, after completing the program, she looks complete savage. Her friends don't stop praising her even today. She achieved her dream job of being an air hostess and is now leading a life of her dreams. Now, before I tell you exactly how we achieve these results, let me briefly explain who I am and why you should listen to me at all. My name is Dr. Aisha and I'm a world-renowned expert in the weight loss field. I'm also a founder of Pro Fitness Academy, the leader in weight loss industry. We help women in leadership roles like you to lose weight and get in shape without spending hours in the gym and without starving yourself with crash diets. I'm passionate about helping women in leadership roles do this because I had my fair share of struggles when starting out on my own journey too. Here's what I mean. My passion has always been helping women to get healthy and look and feel good, and always have that confidence to stand out in every situation and meeting, may it be personal or professional. I have worked in many fitness facilities and achieved good results for my clients for a long time. Last year I had my sister's wedding, and as you all know, in India it's called Big Fat Indian Wedding. So the wedding was in 6 months and my mom got suddenly conscious about her weight and looks. She had gained around 20 kgs in the past year, and it was a gradual increase. She was a working woman, busy with the homeworks and the office works too. She never had the time for diet and exercise. We used to have healthy meals, but once she turned 40, she started gaining weight. It was like a switch on for weight. She asked me how to lose weight, and I guided her with my best possible methods, but to no use. I was getting desperate to help her, so I researched more and more and more. That's when I came to know through the scientific research that it was all inside your body. Make your metabolism work for you. The research on hormonal effects of metabolism on weight loss in women is vast and very much important, as it's the hormones that play a very crucial role in our metabolism. All the data and more research led me to discover my perfect method of weight loss. When my mom used this method religiously for 3 months, she lost 20 kgs. Everyone at my sister's wedding started complimented her and praising her for her new self. She was looking amazing and mostly more confident and proud to be her best self. Everyone started asking her, how did she transform herself being so busy with the work and the arrangements of the wedding? This was all thanks to the system that I discovered that has finally proved to work wonders for any woman of any age, maybe in her 20s or 40s. This method will make you look years younger and energetic as in your teen years. This method will work on any woman who's serious enough to change herself and take the actions needed. So I have designed a perfect method to get fit at any age, at any place and at any time. So what's the secret method? I will reveal in a moment. This healing method is what I call the celebrity physique. Since then, we have pushed hundreds of women in leadership roles to replicate our success without having to go through all the struggles that we went through. All using the method that I discovered in the beginning, which I am about to share with you. I know this might be hard to believe, or you might think you will never be able to do this. However, virtually anyone can repeat my success using my proven method. Now back to the golden handcuffs. You have been lied to your entire life. Crash dieting, spending hours on the treadmill, starving, giving up on your favorite foods. These are the golden handcuffs you have been tied to look young, slim, smart and beautiful. According to research, women who spend hours on the cardio actually slow down their metabolism to conserve energy. So the more you run, more your body is working against it to prevent the fat loss. So all the hard work you're putting in is actually turning your body into a preservation mode, where the fat stores are being preserved by slowing down your basal metabolic rate. BMR is the energy required by your body to perform every process inside your body like breathing, talking, digestion, circulation, etc. Major part of our food intake is utilized in performing these tasks. It takes up to 70% of your energy from the foods we eat to do them. Workouts and diets take up maximum of 20% of the energy. Thermic effect of the food takes up another 10% of the energy. So you tell me, what makes more sense, to focus on the 70% or the 30%? Woman never sees herself different from her body. You might have been named fat, ugly or a hippo before by your family, friends or colleagues, and it would have broken your heart to hear such things from your close ones. I know how it feels. I totally understand you. If you're one of them, then this is the exact reason you want to change. And I guarantee this is not like anything you have seen about or heard about before. So pay very close attention because this could be the big break you have been waiting for. Here's the deal. This proven method allows you to get in shape, lose fat, and tone your muscles and look young, slim, and smart so that you're able to have more power, confidence, and value and present your ideas and opinions without the fear of rejection or validation. You'll be able to have goddess physique with chiseled abs and a beach ready body and a size 0 figure with predictability, minimal effort, and no risk. This is what we do day in and day out at Pro Fitness Academy. And we have done this for hundreds of clients just like this. Meet my client Chaitali. She is an entrepreneur from Bangalore. Before she met us, her biggest challenge was she was not able to lose weight with almost every method she had tried. She tried everything from A to Z, but nothing worked for her. This caused her to lose confidence, and her work also got affected because of this. One day she came across my ad, same as you did, and decided to take up the free training just like you're doing right now. After talking to me, she decided to join the Celebrity Physique Mentorship Program. She weighed 100 kgs when she joined us. We worked together and finally found what works for her. 6 weeks down the line, she lost approximately 10 kgs. Amazing and relieved as she found finally what works for her. She found that missing link that was needed for her. She is now confident and excelling in her business with a new form of confidence where her body speaks for her and her power to present her ideas to her team is amazing. Meet my client Aman. She is a manager at an IT firm in Bengaluru. Before working with us, her biggest challenge was she has gained a lot of weight due to high levels of stress and unhealthy lifestyle choices. Her promotion was due since 2 years, which caused her more stress. She was 60 kgs when she started to look solution for her problems. That's when she came across my ad and decided to take up my free training. After talking to me, she joined my Celebrity Physique Mentorship Program. We worked together and started making simple changes to her lifestyle, changed her eating patterns, and made her do metabolic reversal training. She lost 6 kgs in 4 weeks. She is now 54 kgs. She got promoted to a manager position and is now leading a healthier, happier, and a more complete life. Meet my client Saujala from Hyderabad. She is the head of packaging and shipping department for Amazon. Before meeting us, her biggest challenge was she had gained a whole lot of weight because of work from home culture and also binge eating anything and everything she could find during the working hours. She was struggling to make things right but needed a guide who could help her truly lose weight and achieve her goals and find a sustainable way for it. She was scared that if this situation continues, she would end up with other diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and PCOD. That's when she came across my ad and decided to take up the free training. After talking to me, she joined our Celebrity Physique Mentorship Program. She was 119 kgs when she joined us, and she followed the program religiously for 4 months. And now she is 89 kgs. She lost 30 kgs in 16 weeks' time. She was finally happy and continued the program, as her weight was now in her control, and the stress because of it also ended. Finally, she had found the best way to lose weight and also a way to sustain it forever. You see, at Pro Fitness Academy, we help our clients get rid of excess weight, stubborn fat, and get toned body all day and all night. In a few moments, I'm going to show you how we do this. Now, coming back to my Celebrity Physique formula, let me show you how this works. Because the system that I'll reveal now would exactly show you how to achieve size 0 figure and the chiseled abs, lose the stubborn fat from your belly, butts and thighs without the crash diets, without starvation, without stressing about what to eat, avoiding friends or get-togethers and parties for that reason. And even if you totally hate going to the gym and working for hours on the treadmills or jogging for hours for the rest of your life. So my method is based upon 4 principles. The first principle is the Flexi-Prom diets. This diet was made specifically for women who are serious about their bodies and want to change their overall appearance and shape. This diet is designed in such a way that it can be used by any woman to reap its benefits in the shortest time possible without giving up on your carbs or your favorite foods. Though it takes up to 90 days for you to achieve the celebrity physique, you'd start seeing the results from 3 weeks of following the complete method. Moreover, the diet is designed individually for every member who joins. So it's unique and interesting, and you won't feel like you're on a diet at all because you won't be starving anymore, and no more quitting on sugars and even cheese too. The second principle is based on the female ancestors guide. So now let me reveal to you a secret which has been kept under wraps for reasons you'll understand in just a moment. We all have heard the stories of kings and queens, but let me tell you the real story. Back in the time, daughters of the kings and the queens, that is the princesses, would need to get in shape and get beautiful glowing skin in the shortest period of time, as the marriages used to take place all of a sudden in a short period of time after a king loses in a war. So the king who won the war would want the lost king's daughter to marry his son, or they used to have swayamvars where the prince would be selected after some quests. So the time the princesses had to get in shape and get a beautiful glowing skin and shiny hair was limited, that is only 15 to 21 days. So they used this female ancestors guide given to them from the experts they had in the palaces serving for centuries. These people kept this method a secret for many years, but as the king's rule came to an end, we have few ancients spreading this knowledge to their close ones and families only. But now I have learned from the very same people to guide you into becoming a princess and your beautiful glowing self with my proven and guaranteed methods. I call this Female Ancestors Secret Guide to help you reveal your true beauty and the goddess figure in the shortest time possible. This method works in 21 days and you will be at your best within no time. Without the crash diets, without the fancy equipments or the painful workouts, and without any other hard ways you have always been taught you needed to get fit and to get in shape. Flexitron diet is a special kind of diet that has been recently discovered to burn fat even when you sleep. It helps the metabolic reversal workouts to bring that surge of hormones through day in and day out to burn the stubborn fat from your belly, butts and thighs. The diet is not restrictive. It won't make you feel hungry all the time. You won't be starving, and what more can you ask for? It can accommodate any ice cream or a pizza if you want to. It all has to be planned by an expert that we are in our field. The third is metabolic reversal training. These workouts are known to increase energy level and burn more calories in less time. That is why, unlike cardio or other non-optimal exercises, it only takes 20 minutes to get to work. Not only that, they are so short and simple, making them ideal for people who are very busy and have very little to less time at all. In fact, 20 minutes are easy to cut even on very busy days. And when you see yourself in the mirror, lighter and shaping up, the motivation increases and you want to keep going no matter how. They make you feel thinner, younger and more energetic. So you make them healthy habit to follow for your mind, body and self-esteem. So how do you make these hormones work for you? I have made this unique method that works for women of all the ages, either in their 20s or 50s. You can achieve your dream body by doing just simple, home-based, easy-to-do workouts and diet modifications. So how does this method work? I have found from research that the three most important hormones when it comes to losing weight and defining the ideal feminine physique are what we call as the miracle hormones, because they have been proven to be effective for triggering fat loss, curbing late night cravings and releasing floods of useful energy, sculpting the ideal feminine physique. When you use this metabolic reversal workouts, you can trigger a release of these hormones by as much as 432%. The first of these hormones is called irisin, and it wasn't even discovered until 2012 by Harvard scientists. Since then, it's called a miracle remedy because it has the power to literally transform the stubborn fat on your belly, butts and thighs into tiny little fat burning machine that works 24/7 while at the same time blocking the creation of new fat cells. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here how it works. When irisin gets released into the body, it floods the entire system, turning what scientists call white fat, that is annoying, ugly fat that we are desperate to get rid of, into a healthy, lean kind of fat, that is what scientists call as brown fat. The reason it's called brown fat is because it's stopped full of tiny little structures called mitochondria that make it appear dark because they burn a ton of energy 24/7, which means that brown fat is like a little fat burning engine inside your body. In fact, the fat burning effect of brown fat is so profound that a team of Harvard scientists plan to inject this brown fat into the obese people to help them lose weight, because they can lead to almost 5 times increase in the amount of white fat into fat burning brown fat. And another study found that 1 ounce of brown fat can burn several hundreds of calories, which is equivalent of what you will burn with a hardcore 30 minutes workout. This is why some scientists refer to irisin as the exercise hormone, because it's like the hormone is working out for you even while you sleep. But the benefits of irisin doesn't stop here. One study from the University of Florida found that irisin actually stops the formation of new fat cells by up to 20 to 40%. So how do you get more irisin released into your bodies? Well, new evidence suggests that doing simple home-based metabolic reversal training can actually release a surge of irisin into the bodies by as much as 32% in just 3 minutes. Do you see how these workouts are so different? Their effect goes much deeper than just burning the calories on a treadmill, because they actually help you lose the fat deposits and sculpt the muscles in your sleep long after you have finished your workout. The second hormone is the cravings hormone, and this one differs from the other two because instead of trying to rise the levels of this hormone, you actually want to lower the levels of it. This hormone is called ghrelin, and high levels of ghrelin send signals to the brain to eat more, making you constantly feel hungry and overwhelmed with cravings. And when this happens, you can say goodbye to that physique of your dreams. One study looked at the brain scan of 18 adults. When they looked at the pictures of healthy foods like salads, vegetables, and fish versus the junk food like chocolates, ice creams, and pizzas, the brain scans of those with normal levels of ghrelin had no difference in both the cases. But those with high levels of ghrelin had the happiness centers of their brains light up like fireworks just by looking at the pictures of the junk food. This proved to the scientists how intense your cravings can get, and it shows why willpower is only one side of the story when it comes to losing weight and toning your body with only diets. This explains why almost 99% of the diets completely fail, because once you stop cutting back on calories after trying to lose weight, your ghrelin levels skyrocket, making your cravings uncontrollable. I pretty much guarantee it. Your diet will fail. One study found that 6 months of diet led to 24% increase in the ghrelin levels, while the other study found that low-fat diets led to 40% increase in the ghrelin. And the other 3-month study found that ghrelin levels almost doubled while dieting. In other words, your body is doing everything it can to make you as hungry as possible to stop you from losing weight, making you frustrated and miserable. But there is hope, because when you use my simple metabolic reversal training workouts I have been talking about, you can naturally lower the levels of ghrelin, making losing weight almost automatic, since you no longer have to fight against your cravings. You simply don't have them. Well, one study found that metabolic reversal training workouts can actually lower the level of ghrelins by staggering 60%. While another study found that women who did metabolic reversal training ate 33% less calories than the average woman who just didn't. And this was not because they were dieting or trying to lose weight or anything else. It was just the natural consequence of having lower levels of ghrelin. Amazing, right? Third hormone is literally compared to real-life fountain of youth by some scientists, since in addition to helping you lose weight and toning your body, it helps you feel and look younger than your biological age, giving you glowing skin and shiny hair, supporting your healthy heart, brain, gut, and bowel, and flooding your body with tons of useful natural energy. It's why so many A-list Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Henry Cavill, Charlie Sheen, Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Madhuri Dixit, Kareena Kapoor pay as much as $4,000 for the injections of it. This hormone is called somatotropin, or the Peter Pan hormone. Anil Kapoor looks as good in 67 as in his 20s. Salman Khan, 57 years old, looks better than in his 20s. Thus, many celebrities pay thousands of dollars for the injections of it. If you use the same metabolic reversal training I have been talking about, you can release a flood of these Peter Pan hormones into your bodies naturally. One study found that doing metabolic reversal training workout for 10 minutes led to 452% increase in somatotropin on an average. Looking and feeling younger, having sky-high energy levels all day long, and shedding fat to reveal toned feminine physique. The fourth principle is the biohacking. So we use this biohacking to unlock your true metabolism and turn it as if in your teen years, where you could do and eat everything and anything. Most of the women till date don't have a system that can actually help them get in shape, balance their hormones and emotional state all at the same time. There is no one-stop solution for all of them, because of which all of them are suffering at one level or the other, may it be internally, emotionally, physically or internally. They have so many wounds that have not been healed. But in our society, women are forced to suppress their emotions and feelings. They are objectified in one way or the other. Women are warriors, not only in handling their own emotions, but a whole lot more, like families, businesses and kids to be the least. But with our system, I'll help you fix this. We have industry connections and partnerships, which means you get expertise at every step. We have everything you need in-house: personal trainings, diet plans, professional mentor and an accountability partner. We take care of everything to save you time, energy, money and frustration. Many of our clients have achieved amazing results in 21 days time, all without wasting money in the gyms, hours on the workouts, or on the treadmills, and without any crash diets. Imagine achieving the celebrity physique or a size 0 figure and your best feminine physique, beach ready body in just 90 days. Tell me, what kind of stress would that release from your life if you could lose weight, burn the stubborn fat and get into your best possible figure without spending tons of money on ineffective and unhealthy ways, and generate more output for your business by just having more power over your competitors and colleagues? And how empowered you feel when you have that physique that speaks for you. And by the way, you may be thinking, is it even possible to lose the stubborn fat and lose weight without spending hours in the gym or on the workouts, and even without starving yourself? I don't blame you. I used to think exactly the same way. That was until I discovered that doing hours of cardio actually slows down your metabolism. So much so that your metabolism decreases by almost 50% on an average. So if you were burning 2000 calories before your fat loss journey, now it's only 1000 calories. But my method actually raises your metabolism even when you're at rest. Or maybe you're still worried about it may be too difficult to perform these workouts as it's so powerful. Let me tell you, it's very simple, easy to do, without any fancy equipments, without going to the gym, can be performed from the comfort of your own home, in the living room or the bedroom. And so easy that you can even make time in your lunch break to do it. It's a completely home-based program which you can perform from the comfort of your own home. Or are you still concerned with having to use hidden supplements and expensive meal replacements? You don't have to use any meal replacements or expensive supplements to get the beach ready body. Just the simple changes in your diet and workout to get you in line with the program, and no additional supplements later on saying you need this because the previous diet did not work. Or are you still concerned with the fact that you'll lose a few kgs and gain all it back? So if you follow the program till the end and lose what we promised, then you won't gain it back, as we are working on setting your metabolism right. Once it's fixed, you don't have to worry about your weight again. Or you're still worried about the fact that you need to give up on your favorite foods to lose weight? My method is designed individually for each person who joins, so you won't have to give up on your favorite foods, may it be ice cream, pizza or even a biryani. We can help you achieve your goal with all the preferences in your diet. Or are you still worried about addition of some exotic foods that are too expensive to have daily? In my method, there are no hidden foods or supplements that you will be shocked with later in the program. It's all simple, predictable and easy to use method. Are you beginning to see how easy it is for you to achieve your dream figure with my proven method? My proven method is new and completely unique, super simple to use, highly predictable, and best of all, my team and I would love to help do this all for you. And I am so confident that I'll even guarantee it. Here's my promise to you. In the unlikely event we don't achieve your promised outcome in the agreed time frame, we'll return every cent you have invested with us, hassle-free, no questions asked. Want a no-risk way to find out more about how we can help you? Let me show you how. For a limited time only, you can claim a no-obligation 45 minutes consultation with me for free. We'll discuss your individual situation, what your goals are, and how we can help you achieve them with our proven system. We'll also cover a stack of valuable information, including how you can achieve a beach-ready body in a surprising 30 days, and what you should never do when trying to achieve a size 0 figure, and the 3 common mistakes that a working woman makes that sabotages her success. Remember, there's no cost or obligation to move forward with our services later on if you feel like it's not for you. But a word of warning, this is not some quick success scheme. This is for legitimate people only who want to achieve the size 0 figure and are willing to do the hard work, spend the time needed, and make a few sacrifices to make that happen. You must also be willing to follow the instructions and not be difficult to work with. We have a strict no-joke policy. The last thing we want to do is invest all our time, energy, money, and savvy on someone who is lazy and unwilling to follow the instructions and take action. If you can agree to that, and if this sounds like an opportunity of a lifetime, which it is, all you need to do is click the button below and book in your call. Now, this call won't be a sales call. It's simply a free consultation session designed to see if we are a good fit and, more importantly, provide value to you in advance. If you are, we'll give you all the details, including the investment required to get you started. If not, we'll politely and respectfully let you know that we are not a fit. So in short, what I'm offering you is a chance of a lifetime, a way for you to permanently achieve the celebrity figure in the 90 days, and in turn prevent from serious lifestyle diseases like PCOD, thyroid, and diabetes, and getting ripped off by doctors, and instead be walking on a beach with your dream figure without spending hours on the treadmill and without starving. But please note, this message will be seen by hundreds and thousands of people. So way more people will apply than we have slots for in our calendar. We get approximately 100 to 150 applications per week, and we accept only 10 people out of them who we feel are the best fit for working with us. I'll be awarding positions to the people based on first come first served basis. So don't waste any time and click the button below now and fill in your details to secure the next available session. Do it now. Lastly, I would like to say this is a truly rare opportunity to get freedom from stubborn fat that is holding you back from achieving your personal and professional goals in life. And the way I see it, you have got 2 options here. First, you could forget about everything I told you and you could go back to doing what you have always been doing, and you would get what you have always got. And let's face it, if you were happy with your current weight and your health reports, you would not be listening to this message right now. But you're listening to this message, and that tells me that you're ready for a change. If that's true, then doing nothing makes 0 sense. You have got to take action. Your second option is simple. You can bite the bullet and just accept the fact that to achieve your dream body in the fastest way possible, it just makes complete logical sense to get a proven roadmap from someone who has already taken so many people to where you want to be, and avoid the heartache, losing money, frustration, time, and opportunity cost by doing it all alone and simply hoping and praying that you will make it to the promised land. To get started, all you have to do is click the link below this video right now. Schedule a call to find out if you qualify. So if you're ready to achieve the celebrity physique, then click the link below this video now, and I'll speak to you soon.
Join now to get free consultation in Dr. Pro Fitness Academy. Get ready, guys.